How to use Monday.com for Project Management 2024. In this video, we're going to be talking about Monday.com and how you're going to use this incredible CRM platform for any type of project management that you want to go ahead with. Now, if you want to create an account with Monday.com for yourself, simply go ahead and check the link down in the description below for yourself. It's going to give you a free account creation and it's going to get you straight into it. So once you click on the link down in the description below, it should bring you to a place like this. So what you're going to do over here is you're simply going to go ahead and add your email that you want to choose and create an account with. Now, once you do that, should bring you here where you're going to add all of your details like your full name. Then you're going to also go ahead and add a password for yourself. So once you've done that, you're going to choose an account name and click on continue. Now it says, hey there, what brings you here today? So I'm going to go with work. What this describes your current role. Let's go with business owner and click on continue. How many people are on your team? I'm going to go with 11 to 15. And how many people work at your company? Let's go with 50 to 99. Select what you would like to manage. So obviously I'm going to go with something like management, product management, or software development, because that is basically where project management actually comes in. So what would you like to focus on first? Obviously, we're going to go with project management. Click on continue. One last question. How did you hear about us? You can go with anything, audio ad, TV streaming, YouTube. It doesn't really matter. So once you've done all of that, from here, Monday.com is going to load you in to its main onboarded portal where you can start away with your project management. They even give you templates to start off. You don't have to start off totally from scratch or to start off totally raw. So obviously, according to yourself, choose the appropriate handlers. And once you've done all of that, you're going to choose a viewed layout. So do you want a table, Kanban, calendar? It depends on you. Let's go with table for now. And we're going to click on get started. Now, as you can see from here, Monday is going to bring us into their main dashboard. So you can see how much of an incredible platform it is when it comes to a CRM. And again, if you want to use this for yourself, do make sure to check the link down in the description below to start off right away. So basically, once we're over here to actually do proper project management, first of all, what you're going to want to do is you're going to set up the lists you want or the group you want in your table. So let's say I'm going to call this one coding. Okay. Let's say I run a software firm. So I'm going to add coding there. Let's add design, like UI slash UX. And then finally, we're going to bring here to testing. Okay. So we have different groups now. Now in those different groups, you can add different tasks like, right. Let's go with backend in PHP. So adding something like that. Then that's our first task. Now, once you've added a task, you can add details in those tasks by opening the task up. So to open the task, simply click on it, and here we have the open description. Now you can add your very own descriptions to it accordingly for yourself. So go ahead and add whatever you feel like would be better. Okay. So let's say I'm going to add descriptions like, something coding related. And moving on, you can even add images, add mentions, and also, let's say I want to show someone who wants to do this task. So I can add them as the owner of this task, meaning they have to create this. Then you can also change the statuses, due dates, and whatsoever. You can also go ahead and add multiple views by clicking on this plus option here. So let's say I want to switch to a Kanban view. And once we switch to a Kanban view, you're going to see that it's going to take it from this to this in the matter of seconds. So look at that. Plus, Kanban view is much easier to manage as well. So go ahead and use it according to yourself to whatever your comfort is. So yeah, basically that's Monday.com. And if you want to use this incredible CRM for your project management, do make sure to check the link down in the description below to get started for yourself right away. So that's pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great and amazing day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.